Good day, my name is Ovidijus and I am a SySAdmin and DevOps Engineer here at Oxylabs. In today's video, we'll find out if web scraping can be automated. Next, we'll overview Cron, a command line utility for task scheduling on Unix-like systems and Windows Task Scheduler, followed by practical examples. Lastly, we'll help you decide if scheduled web scraping is a procedure you should consider for your project. Manual repetition of daily tasks is a hassle that is becoming more and more obsolete thanks to automation. Task scheduling is about redelegating tedious repetitiveness to focus on problem solving and decision making. Web scraping is a great method of retrieving data in need when it doesn't exist in a user-friendly format, like an editable file. Running an automated web scraper periodically and automatically increases the rate of public data extraction and relocates the load time to more important hands-on tasks. With Python arguably being the most popular programming language to extract data, it is convenient to leverage its vast technical support network of various purpose-built libraries, such as Requests, Beautiful Soup, and Selenium. If you're interested to know more about web scraping with Python, please click on the cards in the top right corner or follow links in the video description where we explain this process step by step. Today's automation solutions do not depend on your programming language of choice and are universal. Let's dive deeper into the specifics. Cron, or cron jobs, is a Linux system used for scheduling tasks to be executed sometime in the future. In this tutorial, we'll use the Crontab utility to schedule and automate the Python web scraping script. First, check whether the Crontab utility is installed on your machine. Next, proceed with the installation using the package manager of your operating system. In this example, we are using apt. To help edit the cron schedule expressions, we use Crontab Guru. Here, you can determine the frequency of cron to run. For our use case, we will be running the script every day at 8 p.m. Run the Crontab command with the -e option and add a new cron configuration at the end of the file. We're using Nano as our default Crontab editor. If your system prompts you to select an editor, you can use Nano to follow us along. With Nano, use Ctrl-O and enter to save the file, then Ctrl-X to exit. You should see installing a new Crontab message in your console. And that's it. You have successfully set up a recurring web scraping job with Cron. If you're on Windows, another popular and simple option for automation is Windows Task Scheduler, a built-in application for launching programs or scripts at predefined time intervals. Let's try it out. Start by creating a batch file, which is used to execute commands in the Windows command prompt. Create a new text file and enter your web scraping script location. Save the file and change the extension to .bat. To change the file name extension, you might have to check if viewing and editing expressions are enabled in the File Explorer settings. Open the newly created batch file to see if your script is running as expected. Next, launch Windows Task Scheduler and create a basic task. Choose Scheduling. In this case, we will run the script daily. Then, select the exact time and specific action. In our example, starting a program. Now, browse your computer and select the batch file we created earlier. Finally, click Finish and complete the setup. Congratulations! You've successfully set up a recurring web scraping task via Windows Task Scheduler. There are more alternate options to schedule web scraping. On Linux computers, tools such as systemd timers can substitute cron, or, for example, scripts can be scheduled on a cloud server. This way, a computer doesn't have to be turned on for the script to execute. The final choice depends on your use cases and needs. The automation should be tailored according to the individual task at hand and your level of technical knowledge. The good news is that scheduling isn't a particularly difficult task by itself. I hope this video gave you an idea on how to schedule and automate your web scraping scripts, as well as introduced the means to accomplish it. If you have any questions about web scraping and its automation, or would like to know more about related topics, feel free to contact us at hello@oxylabs.io or simply leave a comment below. And if you appreciate our content, hit that like button and share this video on your social media. Thank you for tuning in. This was Oxylabs, and we hope to see you next time.